So, this came from a bit of a random place. When I was about 13 years old, before I started wearing makeup, I wanted to wear makeup, but I didn't think I was allowed. Spoiler alert, I was, just as long as I bought it myself. But I thought that I wasn't allowed to wear makeup, so I tried to make my own. I mixed like flour and foundation and like cinnamon to try and make foundation, which was really questionable. And now that I have my own makeup, I don't really feel inspired to do that anymore, but I know there are a lot of like DIY skincare recipes out there, so I wanted to try some of those out, as well as hair care recipes, because I suspect that I have wavy hair. It's not going to be obvious right now because I just took it out of braids, but so last night I was doing like a wavy hair routine, and I put mousse in, which made it really crunchy, so to fix it, I put coconut oil in, and it made my hair so nasty. So it's not my shampoo day, but I have to shampoo today because of this. Yay! After I put the coconut oil in my hair, I was reading online about like coconut oil and its benefits for hair, and I was thinking, well, I already have this in, why don't I try out some other recipes for hair and skin? So that's what I'm doing this week. Also, I'm so excited for Speak Now. I was gonna do like a Speak Now album review, but I was like, oh, if I do that on Friday, it's gonna be like too late to post it on time, so we're not doing that. We will definitely upload some shorts because I'm doing a photo shoot with my friends, and we're gonna try and go thrifting to find like outfits and stuff. So it'll be so much fun. So I got a ring light and a tripod, so I'm not sitting on my bed and filming anymore. Let me show you what that looked like. I used to sit there with my phone on that shelf and film there, sitting on the bed. Ooh. Okay. But yeah, anyway, let's get into it. Yay, I'm so excited! A great tragedy has stricken me. I thought we had apple cider vinegar. We do not. So I'm gonna use white vinegar. I looked it up and it says it's okay. Maybe we'll do a take two for the proper stuff.
For this mask, I'm mixing 1 tablespoon each of vinegar, coconut oil, and honey. And then I'm going to stir that all together and go to put it in my hair.
Because the first step is to put this hair mask that I made on damp hair. So I'm going to go dampen my hair and change my shirt so I can wear this, because this is a nice shirt. I like this shirt. And then leave it in for 20 minutes. So fun times. This is going to be a really long routine. Good thing I'm starting at like 6. My hair is damp. The face is damp too. I'm starting. It's so hard not to like wipe my face because then I would get makeup all over me. But we don't want to do that. We're gonna, do you see? This is what it looks like. Can't tip it because it's gonna tip all the floor. I'm gonna get it on my hands and like put it in my hair. I feel like I didn't make enough. They said like for extra long or extra thick hair to like make more to keep the proportions. Did not do that. I don't think my hair is extra big. It's just a little bit. Apparently you're hotter with wet hair. I kind of agree. Okay. I've got it done in my hair, and I'm gonna use this little curly guy to tie it up, and I will leave it for 20 minutes and then go wash my hair with that baking soda shampoo.
So for this baking soda shampoo, I'm mixing baking soda and shampoo. Of course, I really cut down the measurements that they called for. I used about an 1/8 cup of shampoo and a 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. And then I'm gonna mix that all together. With a toothpick, of course, because why not? In order to make the rice water, I took a 1/2 cup of rice and I rinsed it off. And then I put it in a bowl with 2 cups of water. And I let that sit for 30 minutes.
So I've washed my hair now. One thing, I did make way too much of that shampoo, and it also made my hair feel like really feeling rough. I did put some conditioner in, which you're supposed to use rice water as like a substitute for conditioner, but I just put like a fraction of what I was supposed to put normally. So now I'm gonna put this in my hair, massage it like into my scalp and my hair, and then leave that on for 20 minutes and then rinse it.
Here I'm mixing some Greek yogurt, some honey, and some turmeric. This recipe didn't have any proportions, so I just kind of guesstimated. More turmeric. Yes, good.
It feels like sand. I just had a crisis, so I took my hair down to make the intro, but anyway, crisis averted.
For this, I'm just gonna call it toner. I took 3 tablespoons of cold green tea, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And I mix that all together, and I'm gonna leave it on my face for 10 minutes once I put it on.
Redness is gone. Also my face feels like really soft. This is nice. I don't know, my hair doesn't feel soft, but we'll check back in when it's dry. I'm gonna give my thoughts on what I've done so far. I have one more thing to try in the morning because it's supposed to depuff your eyes, and my eyes are puffy right now because I've been up for like over 12 hours. So first of all, the mask and the toner, I don't know which one did it. I think it's the mask. My face is so much less red. Like, I don't know if it's noticeable, but I'm noticing it. Maybe it's placebo, but I don't think it is. Like, I genuinely think it worked. The fault is my chair. That being said, the hair stuff did not work for me. My hair feels actually drier than usual, and you can't tell because it's a ring light, but it's less shiny than usual. Like, I would much rather just use my conditioner. However, I will be using the rice water because it's supposed to make your hair grow, and I'm gonna grow my hair so I can cut it again. Because, like, why else would you grow your hair? I'm gonna cut it. Baking soda shampoo really made my hair feel dry in the shower, but the roots feel really soft and my scalp does feel clean. I don't know if it feels cleaner than usual, but it feels clean. So I do have some more of that left because I made too much, so I will be using that. But yeah, I'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna edit this not some Titanic or Never Have I Ever. Or Gilmore Girls. Maybe not Gilmore Girls though. We're taking a little easy break.
Full disclosure, I don't have a recipe for this. I'm just mixing honey and coffee grounds because coffee grounds are supposed to brighten your under eyes and make them less puffy because caffeine.
Good morning. I was really waking up an hour before my alarm, so feeling great already. I have this last thing to test here. It's the little coffee mask. And my eyes surprisingly aren't that puffy today, but I'm gonna try it anyway. It has caffeine, so it's supposed to like wake up your eyes, and also the coffee, like the orange of the coffee is supposed to cancel out the purple. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put it on top of my eyes because that feels a little sus to me. But put it under here and report back. Why it did that though? maybe a part 2, maybe this time with actual apple cider vinegar instead of white vinegar. Why can't I say apple cider vinegar? With actual apple cider vinegar instead of white vinegar, or, you know, just some other things. Maybe I'll do some of that DIY makeup, because, I don't know, people might be interested in it. I don't know if I am, but I was looking at that, like, earlier in the year. It had a lot of arrowroot powder, which they were like, you can also substitute with cornstarch. Guys, you will never believe what I set my face with. Cornstarch. I don't have setting powder. I don't know why. I should just buy setting powder, but I just used cornstarch and a brush, and I didn't do it today, which is why I look shiny, but it works. Just saying. Anyway, have a good day, have a good week, and I will see you next week. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is fun though. I will see you on the next time I talk to you. Yeah. Well, I won't see you, but you'll see me.